Hey guys, JF over here. I'm having some troubles uh, about the appearance of one model that I'm trying to import. I'm gonna show you the example. So I'm importing this OBJ file here, and when I import the OBJ file, it just doesn't show with the texture. I mean, this is the first time that I'm trying to do this, so maybe it's not even possible in Windows. No, I mean in SolidWorks. I tried with the visor on Windows and it works fine. Okay, this is the file that I just opened in the visor 3D viewer. So I know it works, at least in Windows. Okay, this is the example that I found it in YouTube. So at least here it shows that it's possible, but I'm unable to replicate the process. Oh, so slow internet. It should be so. Okay, so here it shows that it's importing the file as a graphic. That is already, I mean, I already make that configuration in the model, in the box that I'm trying to import. But as you can see, the texture is fine. So I'm trying to do this, but I'm unable. Is it possible, or I'm just talking nonsense? Please help, guys. Thank you.